Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education and Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to participate the Rainbow Boost 5.0 from Bifrost. So first of all, the Rainbow Boost 5.0 is the event from Bifrost. You can participate and earn the Asgard whitelist spot. That's an NFT program from Bifrost, and also the BNC reward. And to participate, you can do the V token minting. And here is all the V token you can do: DOT, KSM, Moonriver, Glimmer, and the BNC. And mint different token, you will get different points. For example, the VKSM, one VKSM, you will get the 1000. It's called raindrops. And finally, based on the total raindrops, they are going to rank and select the top 50 users. You will get the 50 back to Asgard NFT whitelist spots. And the top 100 user will share the 8000 BNC based on the following rules. So you can see that if you can rank the top one, you are going to get 1000 BNC. And so this is the rewards you are going to get. So basically it's a NFT whitelist and the BNC. And so now let's take a look at the V token farming pool. They also have the V token farming pool on Mangata X, and they started on February 6th. And so you can take a look at that and try the V token farming pool. On the VKSM farming pool, they have the APY 55 for the VKSM USDT, and there are different farming pools you can check. And so finally, Asgard NFT, that's an NFT designed by Bifrost, and it will be out probably this year. So now let's go to the Bifrost. Here you can check the raindrop event. If you watch my previous video, I do have a video to show you how to set up the bot. If you set it up, you can get a 10% boost. So make sure you set it up. And now I'm going to show you how to go through the dot. First, you need to cross in some dot if you don't have any yet. And I cross in 10 dot. Now I'm going to mint the dot to get the V dot. This meeting is just like a staking. So after you mint the V dot, now you are going to see that on your account you have more V dot, and you can go to the farm and add that to the farm to get some actual rewards I think you can get. And so I'm going to just add the V dot to the pool, and of course you can claim the rewards anytime you want. Just show you how you can do that. And so click confirm, and then you can claim the rewards. Alright, so now we already mint some dot. You can do the same thing for the KSM and the other tokens. Now let's come back and check. We do get some raindrop now, and then you can go ahead to check your ranking on the bottom. And so here's my ranking. I'm ranked 63, so I cannot get the NFT whitelist yet because I need to be in the top 50. And this ranking could be changed anytime as more people join. And so this is overall like what I want to share about the Rainbow Boost 5.0 from Bifrost, and it will last for 1 month. It will be ended on March 3rd. Alright, so how did you feel about the Rainbow Boost 5.0? Leave your comments, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.